Hello everyone. In the previous class, we have completed half of the problem of admission of a partner, in which we have discussed about assets, completed the assets, few liabilities also we have written, and also we have finished the revaluation account. Few working notes we have prepared about the distribution of goodwill, general reserve, profit and loss account, revaluation profit. Here in this problem, as you can see, distribution of goodwill to the partners Ram Rahim, general reserve 8,000 to Ram, 12,000 to Rahim, profit and loss account 4,000 to Ram, 6,000 to Rahim, and also revaluation profit 1,100 to Ram and 1,650 to Rahim. Here, how you are going to complete the problem means, let's see. Goodwill account. The partner Mr. Peter admitted into partnership with capital and as well as goodwill. So, complete the question here. By distributing the goodwill. So, first of all, he came into partnership with 40,000 rupees capital and 20,000 rupees as goodwill in cash. So, here by cash account, how much? 20,000. It is nothing but goodwill in cash. This 20,000 is distributed to two partners called as to Ram's capital account. How much? Goodwill to Ram 8,000 rupees. To Rahim's capital account, how much is the value? 12,000 rupees. Now total 20,000, 20,000. This is how you need to distribute the goodwill to partners. Goodwill in cash by cash account 20,000 to Ram's capital account, which means goodwill 8,000 rupees goodwill given to Ram and 12,000 goodwill is given to Rahim. So to Rahim's capital account 12,000. Now goodwill is distributed. Here, after this, there is capital account of Ram Rahim Peter, and this is the debit side of Ram Rahim Peter capital account, and this is the credit side of Ram Rahim Peter's capital account. Now, read the question once again from liability sides. On liability sides, look at the first liability is given bills payable. Already we have written bills payable 25,000. Trade creditors 50,000 we have already written. After that we are having general reserve. Don't write general reserve in liabilities. Already we have distributed general reserve. So distribute the general reserve to the partners. We'll see how to distribute that. So general reserve is eliminated from liabilities and distributed to partners. Profit and loss account also we have to distribute to the partners, which means that you should not write profit and loss account on liabilities side. Capital accounts of Ram and Rahim. So brought down the balances of Ram and Rahim. Here how you are going to start the capital account means, first of all you have to brought down the balances of the partners by balance brought down. By balance brought down of Ram 50,000, Rahim 30,000, and there is no balance of Peter in previous balance sheet, and he has admitted into partnership now. So you have to write here with cash he has admitted by cash account, or you can say bank account. Cash or bank both are same. By cash account, how much is the capital of Peter? Is 40,000 rupees is given in the question. This is how you have to brought down the balances. Buy balance brought down Ram 50,000. From where did you get this balance? From liabilities. On liability sides, Ram balance is 50,000. On liability side, Rahim balance is 30,000. Buy balance brought down Ram 50,000, Rahim 30,000. No balance of Peter. Buy cash account, Ram nil, Rahim nil, 40,000 rupees of Peter. Now Peter also admitted. Now give the distribution to old partners. Whatever you have distributed, you have to give to partners. First of all, goodwill to Ram and Rahim. Right here, buy goodwill account. By goodwill account, Ram 8,000, Rahim 12,000. As he is a new partner, he only brings the goodwill, so Peter won't get anything. He is the new partner, he only brings the goodwill, and the two old partners, Ram and Rahim, distributing the goodwill between themselves. By goodwill, Ram 8,000, Rahim 12,000, Peter dash. Next is general reserve. Now distribute the general reserve to the partners. By general reserve account. How much? 8,000 to Ram, 12,000 to Rahim. 8,000 to Ram, 12,000 to Rahim. Now profit and loss account, distribute to the partners. By P&L account is given in the liabilities, you have to distribute that. 4,000 to Ram, 6,000 to Rahim. 4,000 to Ram, 6,000 to Rahim. There is no distribution of profit and loss account to Peter. Peter won't get anything because he is the new partner. Profit and loss account 4,000, 6,000. Is there anything else? Yes, revaluation profit is there. Number 4. By revaluation account, revaluation profit you can say, or you can say revaluation account. How much? 1,100 to Ram, 1,650 to Rahim. 1,100 to Ram. This is for Ram and this is for Rahim. 1,650 dash. Anything else is there? Nothing is there. So now go for calculations. How you are going to calculate means add all the amounts of Mr. Ram, Mr. Rahim and Mr. Peter. So you will come to know the capital balances, the present capital balances of Ram, Rahim and Peter. Here, what is the total of Ram, Rahim and Peter means? $40,000. Nothing is there. So the total amount of Peter capital is 40,000. Add this Rahim's total. Rahim. Add the total 30,000, 12,000, 12,000, 6,000, 1,650. So you will come to know the capital of Rahim. 0, 5, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 10, 11, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 61,650 is the capital of Rahim. 61,650. What about Ram? Here we will see the total of Ram. The amount is 50,000, 8,000 next, 8,000, 4,000, 1,100. These are all amounts of RAM. These are all amounts of RAM. Add this, you will come to know the capital of RAM. 0, 0, 1, 8, 8, 16, 20, 21, carry 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 71,100 is the total capital of RAM. 71,100. Right here, to balance carry down. How much for RAM? 71,100. Here 61,650, and for Peter 40,000. Now here also write the same 71,100, 61,650 and 40,000. Now to balance carry down. Here by balance brought down. Transfer this here. By balance brought down. By balance brought down. How much? 71,100, 61,650 and 40,000. These are the capitals of Ram, Rahim and Peter. Now we have completed the capital account. Now come to the point, cash account, and what is this question mark? That I'll tell you now. Bank and cash account. Here to balance brought down, which is given on asset 10,000 rupees. The new partner came into partnership with the capital of rupees 40,000. Who is the new partner? Peter. To Peter's capital account. How much? 40,000. And also he brings goodwill in cash. Right here, to goodwill account. How much? 20,000 he brings in the name of goodwill. So 20,000 for goodwill. 10,000, 40,000, 20,000. What is the total of this? 10,000 plus 40,000, 50,000. 50,000 plus 20,000, 70,000. Now this is the total of cash, 70,000. Right here, by balance carry down 70,000. 70,000. Now what is this question mark? At the starting we are having the amount of rupees 10,000 in bank and cash. Now how much we are having? What is the balance carried down of the cash and bank account? 70,000. So this is the answer for this question mark. You have to write this 70,000 now. The question mark is 70,000. This is the balance you have to write, 70,000. Now you have completed all the assets. Now complete the liabilities. In the liabilities, general reserve is given, which is already distributed. General reserve distributed. Don't write in liabilities. Profit and loss account is given, already distributed to the partners. Profit and loss account, 4,000 given to Ram, 6,000 given to Rahim. So don't write in liabilities. Whatever you are giving, don't write here. And also revaluation profit and all other assets you have given to them. Now what is left over is capital accounts of three partners. Capitals of Ram, Rahim, and the new partner, he is none other than Peter. Ram, Rahim, Peter. What is the capital? What are the capital accounts of all these three? 71,100 for Ram, 71,100, 61,650, 61,650. And what about Peter? Peter is 40,000. 40,000 rupees for Peter. Now all entries we have posted. Let's see our answer is correct or not. If liabilities and assets both amount are equal, then our balance sheet tally and what we have done is correct. Let's see. Liability sides. Here on liabilities, $25,000, 50,000, 71,100, 61,650, lastly 40,000. We have to add all this, we'll get one figure. Now the asset side, assets 70,000, 38,000, 27,000, 20,000, 23,750, 23,750, 69,000. Add all this, then you will come to know. Yes, we'll start from the liabilities. 0, 5, 1 plus 6, 7, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 2 plus 5, 7, 7, 7, 14, 14 plus 6, how much? 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 2,47,750. Let's check, are we getting the same here on the asset side? 0, 5, 7, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, carry 2, 7 plus 3, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, carry 2, 24, 2,47,750. This is how you are going to tally the balance sheet. Asset side, liability side 2,47,750, 2,47,750. Hope you understood the problem. It is very easy, very simple. If you find any problem, you watch the video again and again. This is how you are going to solve the problem. In the reader textbook, the amount capital of Ram and Rahim is given wrong. In the first problem on page number 238 and 239, capital accounts of Ram and Rahim is misprinted. This is the correct capital of Ram, this is the correct capital of Rahim. 71,100 is correct. Incorrect is given in the reader. Rahim 61,650 is given wrong in the reader. So hope you understood the problem. Thank you everyone.